அன்பு தமிழ் நெஞ்சங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ மூலம் சந்திப்பதில் மிகப்பெரிய சந்தோஷம் மற்றும் என் இனிய நல் வாழ்த்துக்கள். எல்லோரும் இந்த சேனலில் இணைந்திருப்போம். நல்லதை மட்டும் பகிர்ந்து நல்ல ஒரு சமுதாயத்தை உருவாக்குவோம். கடைசியா இந்த சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. வாங்க இன்றைய வீடியோவை போய் பார்ப்போமா?
Good day to you all. Always I like to motivate and inspire you all. This morning also same. I brought a very good concept to let you to push to achieve your goal. Who is really fool? Do you know that? If you ask achievers the same question, the answer is who waste their time, who doesn't know how to use the time properly, they are the really fool. You see, 1 year 365 days. These 365 days give to all the human equal. But who use promptly, who use well known their time, they become achievers. Now January 2021. This year, whoever utilize their timing so good in the right way, January 2022, definitely they will be in higher level. I'm going to explain, it's a nice story. Through the story, you will be understand more. One millionaire, he is working very hard in his life. Moreover, he used the time exactly correct manner. That's why he run 10 companies successfully. So he's having one son, and now he's 45 years old. So he planned to hand over all the companies to his son in the future days. That's why he tried to teach every moment, every day almost, something new to his son. His son also very smart. He captured what his father trying to explain. There is a proverb say that tiger produce tiger, not the cat. Same thing, his son also very smart. One day, similar time, like January, the new year starts. He wants to give a good timing. The father wants to teach him good lesson. So he called his son, come, let me go out. The son knows that my father is going to teach something new. So he is very happy to company with his dad. Both the father drive the car, they go to nearby one village. In the village center place, there is a big tree, banyan tree. Over there, the father has noticed 3 persons are sleeping. The time is 10 a.m. in the morning. So the father called three people. What are you doing? Why are you sleeping? You never work? The 3% replied that we are daily wages workers. We work hard. If we have enough money, we don't go to work. Just eat happily, chit chat, we sleep here. So the supervisors, contractors, suppliers, they know we are here. So whenever they need it, they come and invite us to work. If don't have money, we go and work. Otherwise, we don't go to work. The father listened. The son also captured the movements. The father asked the son to go and bring 3 envelopes inside the car. So he took the 3 envelopes. The father informed to the son, give to each people 1 cover. So the 3% also very strange on the envelope. What is inside? The father said that just open and see. It's for you. Open. See inside $5,000. Wow. They are so happy. Is it for me? Is it for me? Everyone asked. Yes, absolutely, it is for you. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Use it properly. He said that. Then the father and the son left. Exactly 1 year. The son was forgot, but the father didn't. The same day, the next year, January, he called his son, come, we go out. I want to teach you something. You will learn today more things. The son is very happy. Then the father asked, can you remember last year, the same time, you gave 3 envelopes to 3 people through your hand? The son said, yes, I can remember. Now we go and see what they have done now. The son is more expected and very happy to know, eager to know that what is going on, how they spend the money. The father and son went to the banyan, the same tree. There is only one person sleep at the same place. The son was shocked. Wow, still he is sleeping? The father called the person. What happened? Can you recognize me? Yes, of course, I can recognize you. You gave me $5,000. Yes. How did you spend the money? He said that I took the money, I went to city. I spent a lot over there to enjoy all the entertainments. Then I see inside only $2,500 because I spent the other half, $2,500 I spent. Then I came back my village. 3 months I never go to work. I just eat, sleep. He said, why? Because I have money, $2,500. Just enough. After 3 months, I don't have money to eat. Then I came here, I started to work. Similar like last year. I work, gather money, spend, don't have money, go to work again. If take money, I sleep. Don't have money, I go to work. This is the thing happen regularly. Okay, how about the second person? Oh, can you see over there? Yeah, there's a big shops like that. Yes, there is a cool drinks shop, fresh juice shop, ice cream parlor, and flower shop. Oh, you know who is the owner of this? You gave the second one right. He's the owner of the shop. Then the father was amazed. Wow. You go there and talk to them. Yes. So the father and the son, they went to the shop. He went to the shop. The second person at the cashier counter. He went there. Can you recognize us? Then the person immediately come down. He wants to kneel down to say thanks. Because you are the one giving money to improve my life. Then the father asked the same question. How did you spend? Then the person replied, I took the money, I came and I saw nearby all the villages, they like ice cream but don't have the shops. So once a while they go to town, they will eat. So I have decided to open the shop here, ice cream baller. So I opened, really very good response all over here to enjoy the ice cream. I got a lot of money, profit. Use the profit to open the fresh juice corner. Also very good. Then I noticed that here more people buy the flowers for worship and they want to use for their home use also. So I opened the flower shop also. Great, that's great. So today I'm a very good. I improved my life. So both father and the son was very happy when he shared. Okay, how about the third person? Oh, that person, you see over there is a tree? Yeah. Downstairs, few people are sitting playing game. It's a part of casino, gambling. Wow, what was happened? You give the money, he went there to do the gambling. He was win. He took it 7,000. He was so happy. Then he put the money again to play around. Then he lost half. I told him, use this money to do some investments like me. But he don't listen. Whatever I lost the money in the gambling, I will take back very fast. I know what to do. But at the end, he lost everything. But now, without gambling, he cannot survive. He is addicted for the gambling. So, he used to work every day, earn very hard, take the money and go to gambling to lose the money. But he said that one day I will take. But the whole year has gone. You can go there and see. Then he said, thank you. But father, don't wish to go there and see. He told the son, I gave $5,000 each person, each day, each time. But 2 used unnecessarily, wasted. Only one know how to invest the money in the right way. You can see the outcome. The son understood the story. Hope you also understand what I'm saying there. The rich man giving $5,000, but now God gave 365 days to equal to everyone, to let you to see how you are going to use your time. You are going to use your time in a useful way, or you are wasted just sleeping like lazy people. All in your hand. Why I'm talking this time? Just this new year born 2021. Next year, January 2022, how you will be? Is it you are going to be next level, or you are going to be sustained, or you going to be wasted and lower? Everything in your hands. I don't prefer to waste my time. I use my time promptly in every minute because time is better than gold. Once you lost it, you cannot take back. Hope you also use the time wisely. So my best wishes to you all to use your time in the right manner, correct way, to upgrade, to enjoy for the next level of your life. See you again.